Hello friends, welcome to Tech Shopify. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to download Shopify and create a Shopify account. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And don't forget to like the video. Let's start today's video. First we have to open Play Store. Here we search Shopify. Here you can see that Shopify e-commerce business. Here we install this application. Click on install. It's downloading. We have to wait for a few seconds. It is downloading. When it will download it, I will come back. Our application is downloaded. Now we open. Click on open. It is starting. Get started. We will click on get started, not login, because we don't have a account. We have to create an account first. Click on get started. It will redirect to our browser. Here we enter our email. Add my first name, last name. It is very simple and easy steps to create a Shopify ID. It is not very difficult to create a Shopify ID. Now it will asking us to create a store. Okay, let's click on create a store. Store name. Well, what I put the store name, it create a domain of with my store name. Now we click on create store. Now he is asking us for our address details. I will add here my address details, store address. Okay, I will add my phone number. Enter store. Okay, our store is ready. We can use our store is ready. We can drop our list of our products here. If you like this video, if you don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.